Abraha, the Abyssinian viceroy in Yemen, built a church to challenge Al-Kaba's religious significance, prompting a man of Kinana tribe to deface it. In fury, Abraha led a vast army, including elephants, towards Al-Kaba with the intent to demolish it, but upon reaching Muhassar Valley, their progress was halted. The largest elephant refused to move towards Al-Kaba, while the sky filled with birds carrying hard stones, casting them upon the invading army, severing their limbs and ending their lives. The routed army fled, leaving Qurayshites unscathed, while Abraha himself suffered amputation of fingertips, with final misery leading to his death. News of the miraculous event spread, asserting the sanctity of Al-Kaaba globally, making this event a divine precursor to Prophet Muhammad.